Hello again everyone, I'm Jim. Welcome to another noisy video. In the middle of loading up a few servers at the moment, so just thought I'd check in with a little annoyance that I found, courtesy of Dell. If you are in the process of updating your server's iDRAC controller to version 4.4000, you will find that the lifecycle controller stops updating. It will not talk to Dell anymore, which is a bit of a pain. So if you're halfway through doing the updates, you do the iDRAC update, and you then go back to continue, you will find that all of a sudden your updates stop, and you will get the following error. And this is the error you will get: unable to connect to network share. Now, I've done a quick bit of research on this because it was a bit annoying. I have 3 servers sat here, and they've all done the same thing. So what you then have to do is ignore this error, and you actually have to connect into iDRAC via the web console and do the updates manually through there. You will have to exclude the slight rough and readiness. As you can see, this is the same server tucked away down here, version 4.4000. Now, if you are unaware of the iDRAC system update, it's tucked away under Maintenance, System Update. Select HTTPS, and your address is downloads.dell.com. Don't forget the S, it's downloads in plural. Hit the check for updates button, and this will then go off and talk to Dell. Please excuse the screen wonking around all over the place while that's doing that. As I say, I'm in the process of loading these 3 servers. Again, all courtesy of my friends over at ByteStock, ready to go out to our customers. We've got this one and this one, which I will try and capture the loading of, because these are being turned into a 2-node vSAN cluster using Starwind vSAN free, which I'll run through with people, and this one is just going to be a Hyper-V host. But there we go, they're all the same spec because it fits what we need them to do. Go back over to here quickly, and there we can see, here's the rest of the updates that were on the list before you updated iDRAC. Move along, select them, install and reboot, and it will schedule these into the job queue for the next restart. So I'm going to go and get that done now. Small but useful video, hopefully, for some of you. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you again soon.